Zach Attack here. Um, Short video. I just wanted to do a quick message. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a live stream. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a live stream. And I just wanted to do this quick message for everyone that watches this. Please do, because if you don't, um, um, uh, sorry, I just had a panic attack because I didn't know what I was gonna do. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna just have like a live stream of like music and stuff, and maybe a little gaming mixed in. But yeah. Oh crap! What are you doing? 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 Come on, your show, dying. Or come on for your show. She's just assistant trying to bring the room down. Ow, and maybe him. Well, anyways, bye. Bigfoot, do you want to say bye? Well, anyways, bye. And have a second day. Whee! See ya. This is a weird moment when you don't stop the video. No, I'm just joking. Anyways, have a Zach and Tekken day. Like, subscribe. Well, you don't really have to like because it's just a short message, but do subscribe. And see ya. Have a Zach and Tekken day. Bye.